Review video, page 5. Okay? Y'all ready? All right. First problem says, write an expression for the area of the bedroom. So what you're going to do, the area, you know, is length times width, right? So you want to write the expression of the length times the width. So you're going to do W minus 1 times W. That's the expression for the area of the bedroom. But I want to go ahead and simplify it, right? So you guys know how to multiply that back in. What's W times W? W squared. And then W times the negative 1, negative W. They're over there. The next portion tells us to write an expression for the area of the hallway. So the area of the hallway is going to be length times width, or 4W times W minus 3. I want to go ahead and simplify that. 4W times W is 4W squared. 4W times a negative 3 is a negative 12W. So that's going to be the area of the hallway. 4W squared minus 12W. Now I have to find the value of W. Well, what it told me in the instructions was that the areas of the two rooms are exactly the same, right? So if two values are exactly the same, then what I can do is set them equal and solve for W, right? You guys agree? Okay. So if I'm going to find the value of W, and these two are the exact same, then I'm going to set them equal. W squared minus W equals 4W squared minus 12W. And we said when we want to solve, we need to set it equal to 0, right? So what you're going to do is move everything over to that right side so that there is nothing left on the left. Okay? So I'm going to move this plus W that way, plus W. A negative 12W plus W is a negative 11W. Then I'm going to move this W squared over that way by subtracting it from this side and subtracting it from this side. 4W squared minus W squared is 3W squared. And all of that equals 0. So now I need to solve, right? I've got 0 equals 3W squared minus 11W. It's kind of ugly, right? Well, if we're going to solve, the first step is to look to see if there's a greatest common factor. Is there a greatest common factor? Yes. What is it? W. So you're going to take that W out. And what you're left with is divide by W, 3W minus 11. And when I'm solving, my next step, once I'm here, is I get to set each parenthesis equal to 0, or each piece equal to 0. So I set that W equal to 0, and I set 3W minus 11 equal to 0. Now, if the bedroom has a width of W, do you think it'll ever be 0? Can a bedroom have a width of 0? No. So I can just ignore that because I'm applying it to real life, and 0 doesn't make sense. But I'm going to solve this for the actual width. What would be my first step? Add 11. Add 11. You get 11 equals 3W. Then what? Divide by 3. So you get W equals 11 divided by 3. Fractions are your friend. Not food, right? Alright guys, well that's it for the review videos. Hope you guys study, do well on your tests. Don't forget, a great strategy is to work the review with me through the videos, then print out a new one and try and work it on your own. Okay?